Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and doing well. I am Samarjaz, your English instructor. This video lesson is for grade 4. So students, now moving towards our Oxford Discover student book, Unit 1, page number 8. We have got our Get Ready. Words, Part A. Students, here we have got words. What you have to do is to listen to me very carefully and repeat each word after me. Listen and read the words. Listen again and say the words. Our first word is moon. Next word, asteroid. Comet. Meteoroid. Solar system. Stars. Galaxy. Universe. Spacecraft. Telescope. Observatory. Words in context. Scan the story on pages 10 and 11 and circle these words. As you read, guess what the words mean. Here we have got words vast, dwelled, speck, disk. So what you have to do is that as you are listening to the audio track, just keep your books in your hand and circle these words from the text. So students, here we have got our audio track. Now what you have to do is to listen to this audio very carefully, circle your words in context, and then as you have listened to the audio, you have to read this text your own self in order to improve your pronunciation.
Page 10. Read. Bella's home.
Charles Kunayak was a high school science teacher who lived with his family in a quiet neighborhood in Nome, Alaska. In his free time, he studied the secrets of the universe. Charles had a powerful telescope, and he often visited observatories, so he learned more and more about the universe. What an amazing universe! Yet how could Charles help his daughter Bella understand that our sun was just one of billions of stars? How could she realize that the small meteorite on display in his classroom traveled to Earth from beyond Mars? How could he explain that we live in a universe so vast it would take a spacecraft 100,000 years to cross our Milky Way galaxy while traveling at the speed of light? Charles decided that the best way to show Bella was not through numbers and charts, but through a poem. He sat down and wrote what he knew about the universe. He called it Bella's Home. Bella's Home. Bella lived in a white wooden house on a street in the city of Nome. Bella sat in her bedroom and thought to herself, "Where in the world is my home? What I need," she thought, "is a spacecraft to give me a better view." So in her mind, she climbed inside, and up in the sky she flew. Her white wooden house was tiny indeed, and Nome was as small as a pie. As Bella flew up, she saw that Alaska looked like a bear from the sky. Higher she flew, and Alaska, too, became part of something so grand. She saw islands, countries, and continents, with blue oceans around the land. Bella now saw her beautiful planet, a blue ball floating in space, and a shining moon that circled the Earth with the light of the sun on its face. She noticed the Earth was not alone. With 7 more planets it dwelled. In a great solar system they circled the sun, with asteroids and comets as well. Bella's spacecraft flew higher and higher. Now the sun was a speck of bright light. In the Milky Way galaxy shaped like a disk, Bella thought, what a wondrous sight. Then billions of galaxies appeared everywhere, each one filled with billions of stars. What Bella observed was the vast universe. Her spacecraft had taken her far. Suddenly, Bella was back in her room, in her white wooden house in Nome. I will visit those places again, Bella thought. For wherever I go is my home.
Students, I hope you all enjoyed the audio. Now here we have got our vocabulary words. So we have got two types of vocabulary words. First one, we will be dealing with our highlighted words. Our first word is telescope. Telescope is basically a long round piece of equipment with special glass inside it to see faraway things. Next word, observatories. Observatory is a tall building where scientists can watch stars, moon and other planets. Next word, universe. Universe is Earth and all stars, planets and everything else. Our next word is meteoroid. Meteoroid is basically a piece of rock from space that hits the Earth's surface. Next word, spacecraft. Spacecraft, a vehicle that travels in space. Our next word is galaxy. Galaxy is a very large group of stars and planets. Our solar system is also the part of galaxy. We all live in Milky Way galaxy. Our next word, stars. Stars are basically natural luminous body visible in sky, especially at night. Next word, moon. Moon is the Earth's natural satellite that shines by reflection that it gets from sun. Our next word is solar system. So our solar system includes sun and planets moving around it. Next word, asteroid. Asteroids are any of small rocky bodies that go around the sun. Our last highlighted word, comet. Comet is a mass of ice and dust that moves around the sun and looks like a bright star with a tail. So now you can differentiate between a star and a comet. Comets have got tail. So students, these were our highlighted words. Now moving towards our words in context. Our first word is vast. Vast means something very great in size, amount, degree or quantity. Next word is dwell. Dwell means to continue, to reside in a place. Our next word, speck. Speck is a small discoloration or spot, especially from stain. Our next word is disk. Disk is the seemingly flat figure of a celestial body. So students, these were our sight words. I hope you all enjoyed this video lesson. I will meet you next time with another very interesting and amazing video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.